and when they do not get back to you, that is where I think a lot of people get disheartened and disillusioned. That is where I think the kind of cinema that needs to be made gets discouraged right at the root level. But Gaur Hari Dastan and its team has been very fortunate to find someone who wants to make his debut in film distribution with this film. That someone has more than a decade of film distribution, marketing and publicity experience with the Cinemax chain of cinemas and the PVR cinemas. That someone wasn't ashamed to actually come out of the screening of the film and proclaim publicly that he loved the film, unlike most distributors who would shy away from saying this just because they think that the producer might demand a higher price. I think we need to salute a person whose name is Girish Wankhede, and he really deserves a loud round of applause. We need people like Girish to support cinema that would make a difference. Thank you, Girish. Thank you for picking up Gaur Hari Dastan, and I hope and pray that this venture of yours will be the beginning of many, many good things to come.
Buddy, thank you very much. In fact, Sachin and Bindya, everybody, all the actors. I saw this film. This is a very prestigious film. This was the film which when I saw the film, I was overwhelmed. I had been in the multiplex industry for almost 11 years. And in all these years, with the context of doing various events like premiere or special screenings or music releases, I came across the film fraternity. Most of them are my friends. I worked with them in all these years. And in all these years, what I observed was a certain insecurity, certain insincerity, in fact, while releasing the film. There are so many instances where you will find a producer who doesn't know up to Wednesday what sort of showcasing he will be getting.
It's 3 months to the 14th of August, virtually 3 months. But Girish chose to start launching this film to the media today. That's 3 months before its release. I can only think of a very big ticket mainstream film being launched like this, with the kind of resources we have, with the kind of budgets we have, and all the limitations. Thank you, Girish, for actually having the faith to launch the film 3 months in advance and arrange at least 4 events leading to the release on the 14th of August. I don't think any other film of this size has ever had a launch like this, and we have only Girish to thank.
Konkona ji, what appealed to you about your character in this movie?
Actually, I read the script first and read the script in one go, which is sometimes difficult because sometimes scripts which are not well written are very difficult to read. And I found the script very moving. I was, it was written very compassionately. It introduced me to this whole world, which is such a beautifully created world. And I was very moved by the struggle of Mr. Gaur Hari Das, and I felt that I wanted to be part of the film. Even though the role offered to me was one of a 60-year-old, I thought, chalo, motherhood ages you. Maybe I should be doing older roles now. So I took it upon myself as a challenge, and I thought, let me try this also. Thank you.
Hi. Ariman Raja, been a film journalist at one point of time. And your films get critical acclaim. But as a director, how do you balance the critical acclaim with the financial box office ratio?
Yeah, that's something that has always been bothering me. But then I'm always lucky to find producers like Sachin. I mean, this is the second film with me. He did Me Sindhutai Sabkal, and then it's virtually a jump for him from Marathi to Hindi to make Gaur Haridastan. Well, I would say that my existence is a miracle, because the kind of cinema I want to make, it's not easy to convince producers that this is where I want to go. This is where I want my thinking to go. And in fact, the next films that I'm planning are much more difficult in that sense to convince producers. But I think now there is no turning back for me. I've had my share of what I would say the pomp and the splendor, the stars and the music, and all the mainstream stuff. I've done that in Dil Vil Pyar Vyar, Dil Mange More, Aksar, Agar. I've done it all. Finally, I want to make cinema the way it should be. And the cinema that I taught myself, watching all the great masters of the world, whether it was European, Asian, Indian, or even to a certain extent American. So, for me, it's a do or die situation now. For me, it's going to be a very uncompromising situation, because this is definitely the kind of cinema I want to do, and God help me.
Yeah, good evening. Good evening, sir. Long time.
Thank you.
Yeah. Well, when did you first see the article about Gaur Hari? And then what were the difficulties, and how is he different from, other freedom fighters like?
See, when I read the story about a man being denied his past, denied the truth that he lived, I went across and met him. There was this journalist, Sudhir Suryavanshi, who had written this article. And through him I met Gaur Haridas, and the man was very simple, very unassuming. He was a very frail person, he still is. And the first question he asked me is, why do you want to make a film on me? And like all directors, I said, because I want to. And directors, I believe, get what they want. So finally we ended up convincing him. And the man had a lot to say. He had a great past, he had a great history. He was the man who he was the boy who used to collect funds for Gandhiji in his Vanar Sena. He eventually turned out to be the man who taught Morarji Desai how to spin the charkha. He had a very, very checkered past. And it was difficult for us to put all the important events in his life together. It turned out to be a 9-hour film. And all we have is 1 hour and 50 minutes with us. So we had to condense that into a very striking screenplay, a screenplay that made people sit up, think, a screenplay that moved people probably into action after they see the film. It was tough, because all that he gave us was a box file of letters that he wrote to the government and the government's replies to him. That's why it's called the Freedom File. The whole screenplay was coined out of a box of letters.
Can I ask Vinay, please? Vinay,
Namaste.
how challenging was it for you? Because it's a very serious role, whereas you are known for your light-hearted films.